In this video, we will show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on this Ford Flex. This will be located on your air intake inside your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Let's disconnect our mass airflow sensor. Underneath this area, you're going to find that you have a small red locking tab. We'll use an angled pick, pry that out of place. Once you've done that, you can use your index finger, squeeze on the little locking tab under here, and separate this. Give it a quick check for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, you can set it aside. Now with that disconnected, we can move along to removing each of our T20 torque screws holding the mass airflow sensor to the air inlet tube. You'll find one right up top here and one diagonally below it. Let's start with the one that's a little harder to get to. Now we can remove the mass airflow sensor from the air inlet. There it is, friends. All right, now we can get ready to install our brand new mass airflow sensor. A quick note, you want to make sure that you have the opening for the mass airflow sensor facing towards where the air filter would be. So as air rushes by this area, it will get sensed by the mass airflow sensor. Continue on to starting in each of your T20 screws. Once you have those in, you can go ahead and snug them up. Now that those are snug, torque each of those to 18 inch-pounds. Now we can reconnect our mass airflow sensor. Press this in here. Listen for a click. Lock it in with the red locking tab and give it a tug to make sure it's completely secure. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your mass airflow sensor on your vehicle. At this point, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Make sure you don't have a check engine light. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.